Hello and welcome back again, my friends, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video, and as every video, we telling to you if you are a long-term trader, stay with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, watching our analysis in 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and a day trader, watching 30 minutes, and you're going to find the tabs down. Go choose your time frames or the trading style of you. But my advice to you to watch the video from the start till the end. That better for you to understand a clear picture where is the market going. So as we said here in the daily, we said we got here an inside bar here. Till now the market hasn't break up here and hasn't break down here. So till now there is nothing new here. The market adjusts sideways here, and even those candles here, even if you came here and if you look like that to the volume, what you see in here, the volume, it's very flat. Look at it, that 3 candles, and that one we finished today, it's very dry. Look at the volume down. Even if you zoom it like that, let's zoom it together. As you see the volume here, the volume is very dry here. There is no volume, and there is like stairs, it's falling down like that. So there is no big volume. So that it's telling you there is no sellers, no big players in the market, and that was me being telling you all those days. You need to wait in a little bit. And here in our analysis, the previous videos, we got here that long-term trend. That one here is getting broke here in the daily and in the weekly. Now us here, we are in the top of it here. Maybe it's going to happen a small correction till 22k. Like the option people, they wanted to fall down to 22k. By the way, yesterday we analyzed for you the options. Where is the puts, where is the calls? And we said the put, they are down here at 22k, and the calls, they stay in here at 25k. So those people, if the Bitcoin fall down and close below 22k, it's very cheap for them to buy the Bitcoin at 22k. And if it came here to 25k, then they are going to sell and take some profit. Those people, they enter from down, or maybe they will roll it over. That another type of trading. It needs a lot of things to learn it. And also here now, what we got the last week, those people, they used to have here that level here, the Bitcoin, it doesn't fall down there. Now they have here at 22k, because even here is a very stronger level as you see it here, and here in the top, it's staying here at 25k here in the peak of that one. So that the view of them. And also we're respecting everyone. That's what also we said it before. And here in the daily, also we said it before. People, they been with us for some time. If you just came now, also we said here, we got a wake up like that, wake up pattern like that. It's breaking down here. If that one breaking up and doing like that and continue, that one here is 100% is the bottom. Till now we are very close to complete that pattern. It just need to break here that 25k here, then to give us a high and a low and another high. That one here is going to be the bottom. Yes, in smaller time frames you're going to see a small correction, but it will not fall down to 20k or something, because majority of those people, they're missing the buy from here. Now all of them, they're looking to buy from 21k and 22k. That's what me have been telling you guys. People, they enter with us from here, the day of FTX. From here also we enter, and me I remember it very well, and you can find it still in the channel. The day of FTX, from here when the market fall down, also we enter from down here, and we enter another enter from here. Look where we are. We make a very nice profit till now, and me I think the Bitcoin, it will continue upward. That one here is the last defense for the Bitcoin to start a new bull run. So let's wait in the coming days, but till now you are very close. Maybe we're going to see a small correction or something, but till now also we are in a bull run. I've been showing you all those things before. I think everything is too clear here. Now let me to show you something why me are thinking that the bottom, and we are in the bottom of the Bitcoin. Let me show you why. Because of that one, people, they been with me, I've been showing to you thousands of times. Look at the color here. If you see that color here is the same like here, is the same like here, is the same like here. You are very close to the halving cycle, and the color here it started getting dark blue here. That way me I'm still believing that one is the bottom, guys. Maybe you're going to see another correction or no. So for long-term traders, you are in the bottom. Remember that. You're going to see in small time frames correction or something, but for long-term trading, you are in the bottom. Remember that. When it become like that, it started getting dark blue like here, you are in the bottom. And look at the color here, it started getting dark blue here. So that's another indicator, and the take profit for that one is going to be till 2025 as you see it here, and it's going to be here at $500,000 as you see it. That just a part of the trading is going to be here, that the top of the Bitcoin is going to be at the $500,000. So I think everything is too clear here. I explained to you all those things. Now let's go to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here is only for swing trading. That one here, also what we said the Bitcoin it gave us here like a mega fall like that. And also we're still waiting that one just for swing trading, not for long-term trading. Remember that. Also we're still waiting a break to happen here, or the market to fall down to break here. If it's breaking up here, also we are going to enter long. If it's breaking down here, also we're going to enter short. And some people, what can we say? Some people they be insane here. You got here a wage like that, and that wage is getting broke. They said that wage here is getting broke. Okay, let's say us here we got a wage. What about here? Even here you got a wage. Is getting broke here? Yes or no? Because in the past that way me I told you don't follow no one. He never ever trade. That one is getting broke here. Now it's getting broke here, and you staying sideways here. Look where you are. The market doesn't move. That 2 weeks now, also we are in the same situation like that. Yes, it's coming a big move. We don't know exactly tell where, but you focus it about those things here. That one here, it's been the bottom for some time here. There is no candle called break it here. Yes or no? And here now, it's given us here a level. There is no candle called break it now here in the top. Look at it. That's what it given us here. It gave us here a megaphone. You just need to close it here and to give it a handle here like that. You got here a megaphone. That one to trade it, it's need the market to fall down to break here, to break that level here of 22k. And what me I told you, people of the options, they waiting to buy the Bitcoin here at 22k. So it might you're going to see the Bitcoin falling down here till 22k, and after that you're going to see a big portion up. Remember those things very, 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 very well. I'm telling you those things, that things from professional traders, not just someone he just came yesterday, he doesn't know how to trade. Remember those things. You got here at 22k pot options or naked pot there. That means those people, if the Bitcoin close in Friday below here 22k, you're going to see a huge volume going up. So anyone he told you we got here a wage, and that wage here is getting broke to enter from here to here, maybe, but that one it will be scalping, not swing trading. Swing trading, me and no, someone he will enter from here till 17k, like how we enter us from 17k till where we are now, and we still holding our position because till now there is no price action breaking down here, indicating for us as the market is going to change. Everything is too clear. Let me show you why me I'm thinking there is a correction going to come, maybe till here, maybe till here. We don't know exactly till where, but there is a correction going to come. Let me show you why. Me are thinking there is a correction going to come because of that divergence here. Look at it. That 3 weeks now, us we still waiting the divergence. That 3 weeks. People they been with us that 3 weeks till now. Look at that. Us we been with that divergence now. And we got down here, that long term uptrend we got in the daily, and every time the market when it came he touches here, then he bounce up. Now we touch it here, maybe we're going to bounce up, or maybe we're going to break it down here and we're going to go to oversold area, and that one is going to be the last chance for you to enter in that big ball run which is coming. Remember those things. That's why me I told you every time, follow us. That is up to you. That's why me I don't ask you those days to subscribe in the channel or anything. If you want to subscribe to our channel, welcome. If you don't want, it's up to you. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go in to see what our indicator doing today. So let's go in there. That one here, as you see it, we be in here at the overbought area from here, from 17k, look till where we are at 23k. Should we enter short now? No, my friend, we don't got any price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. Yes, we got that megaphone, but till now it doesn't breaking down. So us, we are not going to enter. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. If it's breaking down here, we are going to enter short. If it's not us, it's still very early for us. If it's break up, also we are going to enter with it long. I think picture is very simple. Just some people they try to make trading complicated for you guys. But it's up to you. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. What's going there? Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in the last video over here. What else we said? Here like that. We make it like that. And we came here to the top of those ones and we make it like that. It's breaking down here and it's breaking up here. Now it's breaking even down here. Yes or no? That's what else we said before. We said it like that. Me, I remember it very well. We make it like that. Just the last video we make it like that. Like that. It came, it's breaking down here as you see it. Then back upward till here. And look now where you are. And also where we told you to enter short from here. That one I think 2 videos or 3 videos now. When it's breaking down here, it give us here a double top. Here we told you to enter short. Yes or no? It fall down till here. He make that correction. Look where you are now. You are here. Told you enter short now. Yes, you can. Because over here, now look with me here. What you got? You got a down channel. So that one maybe is going to fall down till here. Because that one it's breaking for us. That long-term trend also we used to have here. It's being touched here, it's being touched here and here. Now it's breaking for you and breaking for you even the 200 moving average. It will move a lot. I don't think so. Maybe just till here. Till 22,600. Just view for long. Same thing. You came, you do it like that. If it came and going up, you enter long. Same thing. You got the downtrend here. You still follow it. Where is the market is going to break? Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator. What it's saying. Our indicator, as you see, it's been here at the oversold area. Now it's enter again to the oversold area. So technically, now you need to looking for a buy. The buy, where it is? Here, that trend line here. If it came that one breaking up here, you can enter long again. But if it doesn't, it's going to fall down till here, till that last low here. And if it's breaking down here, that's another story. And that white one here, as you see it, that here, that one, the daily trend line, it's being broken, as you see it. Let me show it to you for picture to get a little bit clear to you. As you see it, that one here is the daily trend line we're getting broke. Maybe you're going to see it falling down till here. Then after that to going up. Even that one is a scenario. I think everything is too clear. So what you need to do to wait. That's it. Yes, over here you got a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. It's being touched a lot of time here. Until now there is no candle break it. And me I told you if it's breaking here, you're going to see it falling down more than that. But you need to wait till more what's going to happen. Till now the Bitcoin here is showing to us. Also we are in a flat market and even the 200 moving average, if you're looking at it, what it's telling you, you are in a flat market. There is no move either up or either down. So my advice to you, you wait in the trend till it starts, then try to open a new trade. Everything is too clear? So that's it for that video. See you in another video. Bye for now guys.